There you goes, the old true Huck, the only white gentleman that ever kept his promise to old Jim. This is one of the lines in Mark Twain's The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. It's a line that Jim says to Huck when Huck is going out to make sure that things are safe before setting ashore, ostensibly at Cairo, which is where Jim would be safe. Whatever. So, The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn by Mark Twain. It's a good book. It is a book about the adventures of one boy, Huckleberry Finn, who fakes his own death to get away from an abusive father and floats down the river with his friend, the runaway slave Jim, and they have lots of adventures together. It's great. The book is about racism and slavery and the idiocy of all that. There's a lot of irony in it. It's really great because Mark Twain is hilarious. One of the running themes throughout the book is how black people tend to be more decent human beings than white people, which is funny, all things considered, because ostensibly the prevailing, message in the South is that blacks are obviously inferior. The book proves it false many times over. It's great. In that one particular scene, Huckleberry Finn chooses his friend Jim over the morals that he's grown up with, of turning in a runaway slave, which is, it's good. It's a good thing. Good job, Huck. So, the book is the setting is in the Deep South, sometime before the Civil War, when slavery was still a thing that existed, and also, there's massive racism, obviously. The book was actually published a little bit after the Civil War in 1884. But racism, when slavery wasn't a thing, but racism still was. So this is just a social commentary by Mark Twain, demonstrating, or rather, just sort of trying to explain to people through allegory the stupidity of racism. It caused quite a ruckus in his time, as is to be expected, because it's, against racism, and but blacks are inferior, obviously. So, yeah, basically, it's a really good book. Highly recommend. Peace out. BT dubs, this book uses the N-word a lot. If you get offended by that, don't read it, I guess. Still read it. There's probably bolderized versions. Heh.